Xiamen JZCX Industry Company Limited, with its 3D printing brand, Antinsky, stands as a prominent player in the 3D printing industry. Our products are extensive and diversified, with 3D printers, filaments, photosensitive resins, 3D scanners, and various spare parts, featuring renowned brands such as Creality, eSun, Polymaker, Frozen, and Elegoo. We are committed to excellence, engaging in weekly reviews of customer feedback to continually refine and improve our service. Our business team includes foreign trade professionals who, with their English language expertise, engage in meticulous interactions with clients worldwide. Our technical department adheres to rigorous work instructions and pre-job training, ensuring consistent quality in every product we supply. Each batch of products will be tested thoroughly, including tensile strength and exposure tests. Besides, the tests of aging resistance for special functional resins will be conducted periodically to guarantee their durability. Efficiency and accuracy are at the core of our operations, with our warehouse utilizing an ERP system for inventory and delivery management, eliminating the possibility of dispatch errors. Antinsky has the ability to provide an extensive range of resin products, catering to diverse applications such as high-precision modeling, engineering, dental, and jewelry sectors. At Xiamen JZCX Industry Company Limited, we are not only just about providing products, but offer an overall experience encompassing superior products, impeccable service, and robust distribution channels, for we contribute to print the world's dreams into reality.